Hello my science students. Okay, so here I'm gonna start with the next chapter. This is chapter number 12, equations in one variable. Equations in one variable. Let me remind you, in our previous video or in our previous lesson even, we have learned this kind of concept, equations in variables. But here with the one variable. Okay, so equations, as you know that what equations means, है ना. Equations, when the terms are given together, more than one terms, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, when the terms are given together or more than two terms are given together, this is known as equations. For example, this is 5x square plus 3x minus 2y is equal to 0, suppose. So you can call this as an equation. Why? Equation has two sides, LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side. Am I right? When the terms are given together, this is called term. This is called term. In this, coefficient and variable. Coefficient and variable should be there. This is called terms. When the terms combines together, they form an equation. They form an equation. So what about equations in one variable? In one variable means what? When the equations are given, so equation has two sides, LHS, RHS, as I told you. But in this, we have to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in an same equation. Are you getting me? In this equation, we have to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this kind of equation, we have to perform with this kind of operation. This is known as equation in one variable. Equation in one variable. Hope you understand this. What about the equations in one variable? As you know that the value of the variable which is given in the equation is called the solution of the equation, है ना. And equation means to find the solution of the equation, and in this we have to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on the same time, and the equation obtained by performing this operation on the both side, that does not change its value, but using this property we can solve the equation in a easiest way. Hope you understand this. So here some examples are given in your textbook. Can you see that? Fill in the boxes to solve the following equation. Here some equations are given that you have to solve. See the first question, x plus 4 is equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9. So this is given with the plus sign. It means this is equation LHS RHS, है ना. So how to solve it? When the number is given with the plus sign or in a positive sign, we have to take the opposite of it with the same number. It means how we have to solve? See, I'm showing you over here. This is x plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so x plus 4, the same number we have to take with the opposite sign. It means minus 4 is equal to 9. Same number you have to take at the right hand side, 9 minus 4. See, minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. X will be remaining here is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. X is equal to 5. Or you can solve in this way also. X plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so keep x as it is over here, 9. This is given with the plus sign. Whenever we will take plus 4 at the right hand side of equal sign, it will change its position, it will change its sign, and we have to take minus 4, opposite of it. Okay, so x is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. See, x is equal to 5. So this is the solution of the equation. See the next one, x minus 2 is equal to 7. See, x minus 2. Here minus 2 is given, we have to take plus 2. And at the right hand side as well, so 7 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. X is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. See the next, x upon 3 is equal to 4. X upon 3. Can you see this is given in a fractional form or this is given in division? So when the equation given in division, we have to take opposite of it. It means same number we have to take in multiplication. So x upon 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. You have to take same number with the multiplication to the both side, at the left hand side, at the right hand side. So this 3 will be cancelled, and x is equal to 4 3s are 12. And here 4x is equal to 24. This 4 is in multiplication with this x. It means 4 is given with the multiplication with this x is equal to 24. When the number is given in multiplication, you have to take the same number in division, opposite of this. And now the 4x upon 4 is equal to 24.4. This 4 will be cancelled. X is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 6. X is equal to 6. Have you observed something? You have to take opposite in each equation. Here plus is given, we took minus. Minus, we took plus. Division, we took multiplication. Here multiplication, we took division. So like this we have to solve the equations. Hope you understand this. And that was about the equation in one variable. So try to solve this example in your notebook. For this, thank you.